Hello friend. Today practical topic is the single lamp control using two-way switch. In this practical, the single lamp control by using two-way switch. In this wiring diagram, using staircase. The basically required material is a single lamp to 30 volt. Then two-way switch. The number of quantities is the 2. Then second is the wire, tester and stepper. And circuit diagram of single lamp control using two-way switch. The two-way switch, there are the 3 terminals. One is the upper terminals, then middle terminal and then last terminals. The same switch are used in this side. The upper terminal and a lower terminal is connected by lead wire, and middle terminal one switch is connected to the phase, and second two-way switch, the middle terminal is connected in series with lamp, and lamp, the second terminal is connected to the neutral point. This is the two-way switch. There are 3 terminals. One is the upper terminal, the second is the middle terminal, and last one is the last terminals. The complete wiring diagram as per circuit diagram. This is the two-way switch. The first two-way switch means this side, and second two-way switch lamp side. Then this is the complete diagram of two-way switch. The one terminal is connected to the second two-way switch, and then last terminal is connected second last two-way switch, and middle terminal is connected. This is the phase, and the second two-way switch middle terminal is connected to the neutral wire. Then insert the leads on switchboard. This is the complete working model of two-way switch. In this system are used in staircase wiring. This is the top floor, and this is the bottom floor. Then one switch is off, that times the lamp is off, and then the lamp is controlled by using the second switch is on position, then lamp is on.